Yes, now read the story about a white elephant. Long ago, a great herd of elephants lived in a forest near the Himalaya mountains. बहुत टाइम पहले एक ग्रेट herd of elephants, herd means group of elephants, lived in a forest में रहता था near the Himalaya mountains. The finest elephant in the tribe was a rare white animal. The finest elephant, जो elephants के tribes में white elephant थे, that are very rare. आपने भी देखा होगा, you know, white elephants are not there. आपने देखे white elephants? No ना? The white elephants are rare to found. Unfortunately, the mother of this white elephant was old and blind. बदकिस्मती से जो the mother of this elephant was old and blind. Although her son gathered sweet wild fruit for her every day, and her son every day gather means collect wild fruits for her mother. He was often angry to find that the other elephants had stolen his mother's food. और वो गुस्सा भी होता था. Even he got angry when other other elephants of their group takes their food that he brought for his mother. Mother, he said, it would be better if you and I were to go and live alone in distant cave I have discovered. He got fed up with this activity, and one day he said to his mother that we should go to any distant means far away place, and I have discovered a cave. मैंने एक गुफा देख रखी है. I want to go there and live. The mother elephant agreed. उसकी mother agree हो जाती है, and for a time the two of them lived happily, and they go there and they lived happily there in a peaceful spot means place near a glade of wild fruit trees. Glade means the open place in the forest where wild fruits are there. Until one evening they heard loud cries coming from the great forest. One day they heard a voice coming from the forest. The person was crying in pain. That is the voice of a man in distress. Distress means extreme danger that needs urgent help. The cries coming from the forest, and the white elephant said, I must go and see if I can help him. The white elephant was very kind, and he wanted to go to help that person who is crying in pain. Do not go, my son, said the mother. I am old and blind, but I know the ways of human beings towards us. Your goodness will be rewarded by treachery. Her mother asked him that you should not go there. These are the ways of the people to capturing the animals. Don't go there. But the white elephant was very kind-hearted, and he really wanted to help the person who is in the pain. Your goodness will be rewarded by treachery. Treachery means धोखा, betray. Okay? Means maybe आपकी जो ये goodness है आपको धोखे का बदला ना मिले इसकी वजह से. Her mother is saying. But the white elephant could not bear to think of anyone in trouble. वो नहीं देख सकता था किसी को भी trouble में, pain में. And he hurried down to the lake in the direction of cries. And he goes there to help that person who was crying. where he discovered a man who was a forester. वहाँ पे उसने एक पर्सन को देखा जो कि फॉरेस्टर था. Don't fear me, stranger, he said. Tell me, how can I help you? The white elephant said, Forester, how can I help you? The person, how can I help you? The forester told the white elephant that he had been lost for 7 days and night and could not find the way back to the Banaras he lived. The forester lived in the Banaras, and he was telling a lie to the white elephant that he has been lost in the forest for last 7 days and night and he could not find the way. Then the white elephant asked to the forester, "Climb on my back," said the elephant cheerfully, happily, "and I will carry you home." The elephant carried the elephant carried the man swiftly through the forest until they reached open country. The white elephant carried the forester properly or comfortably. Then he left him on the outskirts of the city. Outskirt is the boundary of the city. Before returning to the cave. The forester was greedy. फॉरेस्टर बहुत भूखा था. किसका भूखा था? पैसों का. उसको देख के उसको लालच आ गया. एंड कनिंग मैन, he knew that the king's favorite elephant had died. जो उनके बनारस के किंग थे, उनका फेवरेट एलिफेंट डाई हो चुका था. Then he wanted to sell this white elephant to the king and got money from the king. That's why he was greedy. The king would rewarded me richly, though, thought the man, if I capture this fine animal for him. He straight away asked for the royal audience. Means if he would give the information about the white elephant, he could be rewarded with some amount of money or any precious ring from the king. The king was delighted when he heard the description of the white elephant. King was very happy when he heard, जब उसने सुना description of the white elephant, how white elephant looks. I would love to possess such a fine creature. Go back in the forest with the band of my most skillful trainers. He gave the order to his trainers that go to the forest and caught out this fine creature. This is a creature. Okay. Now go back to the forest with the band of my skillful trainers, and if they succeed in capturing this rare elephant, you shall be rewarded. मीन्स अगर वो उसको सक्सेसफुल हो गए वाइट एलिफेंट को कैप्चर करने के लिए, देन यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड. हु विल बी रिवॉर्डेड? फॉरेस्टर. द फॉरेस्टर हैड कनिंगली नोटेड लैंडमार्क्स. लैंडमार्क्स आर द प्लेसेस दैट वी पुट द आइडियाज़ वाइल गोइंग थ्रू द प्लेसेस. एज जब हम अपने घर से निकलते हैं, हमें किसी चीज़ का रास्ता नहीं पता होता था, तो वी पुट द लैंडमार्क ना, दैट फ्रॉम दिस position we have to take right, this position we have to take left. The forester ने फॉरेस्ट में अपने लैंडमार्क्स बना लिए थे. While riding back to the Banaras, he led the trainers to, led means he give the directions to the trainers to take where the white elephant was gathering bamboo stems for his mother evening meal. उसने रास्ता ढूंढ लिया था फॉर द वाइट एलिफेंट फॉर कैप्चरिंग, कि वो जब वो वाइट एलिफेंट अपनी मदर के लिए इवनिंग मील कलेक्ट कर रहा था, ही गॉट द वे फॉर टू द वाइट एनिमल. व्हेन द एलिफेंट सॉ द फॉरेस्टर विद बैंड ऑफ ट्रेनर्स, he knew he had been betrayed. When elephant saw the trainers and the hunter And the forester, he knew that he has been caught. He has been betrayed. उसको धोखा मिल चुका है. He tried to escape. Escape means छुपना, hide. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued, continued him, and continue means उसके पीछा करते रहे. And soon succeeded in capturing him. और उसको पकड़ने में सक्सेसफुल हो गए. Then they led him through the forest and entered Banaras in triumph. Triumph means victory. They got the white elephant with them. Now come to next page. The poor mother elephant waiting for her son to return. She was very sad as she felt something that बहुत देर हो गई है मेरे बेटे को आए हुए. Now she felt that his son has been caught or his son has been captured. What shall I do without him? She cried. She cried loudly. She cried in pain. That what she will do now? Who will bring the food and lead me to the lotus lake for water? कौन मुझे खाना देगा, कौन मुझे वाटर पिलाएगा, वो लोटस लेक में कौन लेके जाएगा. The heart of her son was equally heavy. Heavy means, in this paragraph, heavy means sad. As the mother was sad, as same the son was also sad. What will she do without me? What my mother will do without me? He thought, if only I had listened to her advice. अगर मैं अपनी मम्मी की बात सुन लेता, that this could not happen to me. In spite of his unhappy look, because he was very sad, in spite of his unhappy look, वो खुश नहीं था. Even then, the elephant found favor with the king. That means, even then, king found him very beautiful. वो सैड था. जब हम सैड होते हैं तो हमारा फेस कैसे हो जाता है. Even then, राजा को वो बहुत ही सुंदर नज़र आया. Who declared he would ride no other animal. Even then, उसके बाद उसने इसको देखते डिक्लेयर कर दिया कि I would not ride any other animal. The elephant's stable was richly decorated. Stable is a place where horses and other animals were kept. तो उनको जो उसका स्टेबल था वो बहुत अच्छे से डेकोरेट किया गया उसके आने की खुशी में, ऑनर में. द किंग रोड हिम इन द स्टेट थ्रू द सिटी. और किंग ने वाइट एलिफेंट को लेके उसकी राइड करके पूरी सिटी में उसने ही टेक्स द राउंड ऑफ द सिटी. But a few days later, the trainers came to the king in a great distress, saying, Your Majesty, the white elephant is very sick and will not eat nothing. The trainers came to the king and said that the white elephant is very distressed, sad, and he is very sick and he will not anything. Then the king hurriedly goes to the stable, and when he saw the elephant's look of despair means loss of hope, means वो hope जो है वो छोड़ चुका था. That what happened to my mother and all. तो वो बहुत sad था इन चीज़ों को लेके. He said, good animal. Who said? King said, good animal. How you have changed. आप कैसे चेंज हो गए. Why do you refuse to eat. आप मना क्यों कर रहे हैं खाने के लिए. Why you are refusing it. Anything you wish will be granted to you. Whatever you want to eat, that will be accepted. That will be given to you. Then the great king answered elephant mournfully. The elephant mournfully means painfully answered the king that All I desire to return to my poor blind mother in the forest. I wanted to go back to the forest to my mother. For while she is alone, अभी तक वो बहुत अकेली है, and starving. How can I eat? Starving means वो खुद ही बहुत वो भूखी हैं, because he got fruit or food for his mother, and how she would eat. वो बहुत भूखी हैं और बहुत अकेली हैं. Now the king was a good king. King बहुत अच्छा ही king था, and although he badly wanted the elephant for himself, and he also liked the white elephant for himself, even then the noble animal, your goodness put mankind to shame. Means the white elephant goodness, the king wanted to say to the white elephant that it is very shameful for us, for we people, that we captured you in the cage, and we make you in our captivity. हमने तुम्हें कैप्चर करके रखा है. दैट इज़ वेरी बैड टू आवर मैनकाइंड. I give you freedom to return to your mother at once, and you can go from here to your mother. The elephant thanked the king with a loud tramping. Tramping is a voice that usually elephant make. Okay, and left the city and went crushing back through the forest. Hurriedly he went to his forest. When he reached the cave, he found to his joy that his mother was still alive. When he go back to his mother, he was very happy, and he saw that his mother was still alive. Ah, my son, she said, when he told her his story, you should have listened to me. His mother said, now you know, na? You have listened to me, what I had told you. Human beings have always brought harm to our race. Our race means to animals, our animals group. Human being always harm to animals, but not at all them, mother. But the white elephant answered, no, mother, not at all, not all of them. All of them are not wrong. सभी wrong नहीं होते. He said triumphantly, making noise of the elephant. The king is noble. Noble is very kind and generous. I should still be in captivity. मैं उसकी अभी भी उसकी कैद में होता, कैप्चर में होता. Let's forget the treachery of the forester. हमें जो ऐसे बेकार लोग हैं, फॉरेस्टर ने जो हमारे साथ धोखा किया है, उसे भूल के हमें ये सोचना चाहिए, what the king has done to us, what the goodness king has done to us. The moral of the story is, it's a nature of every human being. Means someone is good, someone is bad. We always make good to everyone. When we will do good, we will have good with us. Thank you and have a nice day.